everybody? It's your main man DJ Ron the Mechanic here with another video. So today I'm inside the garage. As you can see, I'm in the old trunk right here. Got everything kind of taken out. About to do a little, what I call a little surgical work on here. So in other words, I got a few sheets of my Killmat left. So now that the weather's kind of decent and everything, but I'm still staying inside the garage, man, because you know when you let your door up, man, bugs get to flying in, bothering and all that, so you can't really concentrate. So yeah, I'm inside the garage. So my game plan, I'm gonna pull this side down over here, y'all, and finish putting some Killmat up in there for the pretty much make everything solid back here, you know. So I already did my trunk lid. That's already did. Let's see. No, I didn't do the floor or anything. Didn't do that. But that part was already pretty decent though. But I'm definitely gonna do the sides though for sure. But they still a little hollow on each end. So when I crank the base up, you know, they kind of flex a little bit. So trying to make sure that looks solid right there. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing. And also, I know y'all saying, man, look at all these wires and everything. Yep, this is the back end of my amplifier rack that you don't normally see. So yes, I have a ton of stuff back here. And yeah, I'm gonna finally get the chance to go ahead and clean it up a little bit. I just kind of pulled everything down pretty much. So I'm gonna get it right though. Ain't no thing. Especially I got some more speaker wire. I definitely change out the outputs for the doors. Yeah, these are the ones for the doors right here. I'm gonna change those out. So that'll be good right there. And like I said, I'm gonna clean all this up, you know. I mean, even though it's hitting off, you won't never really see it like talking about it. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it all up. This here was just from working a lot, not really having time to really get to it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get it all cleaned up for sure. But before I get that going, like I said, that's the main thing I'm gonna start on. That right there, just to do that side right there. Put that Killmat on there. And yes, I can definitely tell you, hey, that Killmat, hey, it does it. It does its thing, y'all. Hey, look, get you some of this right here. Got a box of it from Amazon, y'all. I'm telling you. Just to let you know how good it is, look, I'm gonna do the sound test for y'all. All right, this is the truck. Doors is not treated. See how loud that is? Right? So now, go to my car. See how solid that is? Tell you, that Killmat is the truth, y'all. I'm telling you, get y'all some of that there. So, yep. So, that's my game plan, y'all. And pretty much, y'all see my equipment right here. See, that's my crossover right there. That's the epicenter. This is the back end of my Rocket Fosgate 600.4. Right there, the subwoofer amplifier right there. And that's my audio control matrix right back here. See, I got the little LED strip going on, all that there. So, yeah, to some people you might say, damn, that's a wire right there, man. That's like a big old mess. Hey, it always look like that when you take everything apart. But once I get everything cleaned up, you know, hey, I'm gonna tighten it up though, make it look a whole lot better. So yeah, it always gonna look like this when you take everything apart. So Ain't nothing to it. Hey man, y'all see my battery over there. Man, look. I love these excess power batteries, man. I'm telling y'all. Get y'all excess power battery for y'all secondary battery, man. These batteries are the truth. So this is what my whole entire amplifier rack is running to. This right here. See, I got the big 0 gauge wire right there. That's right. Big 0 gauge going right there. That's my battery isolator. So I got the front battery separated from this one right here. So yes, pretty good deal, huh? So yeah, my work cut out though, cause I gotta pull all this side here down over here and get to putting in that Killmat. So that's the game plan, y'all. You gonna tighten them sides up. So when I turn that bass on, hey look, I had this thing solid back here. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and get all my little tools and stuff together. And hey look, we gonna get started with it, you know? Yes indeed. I call this my workshop, man. Look, y'all see, man, look. I got stuff everywhere. Yes indeed. This is my workshop, aka the lab. Y'all see it. Hey look. Y'all definitely need to get this here. If you gonna take any trim pieces of loose inside your car, get you one of these here. Now they got some that come with more pieces, but get you one of these right here, so you don't scratch up anything. Right. Okay, look, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Like I said, once I get everything all lined up, and hey, we're gonna start all that process, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I gotta do. Alright everybody, I'm back. So as you can see, I got the cover off. So on the inside of the trunk, as you can see, like behind there's really like nothing. Back there just, you know, just a plain panel. Pretty much similar like the door. There ain't nothing back there, just flimsy panels, that's it. So pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and do this top part up here. Put me some of that Killmat on it. I'm gonna do that part there and probably try and see if I could get a little piece down there. So I'm gonna have to split it because you can't block these 3 pins right there, because that's for like if I want to take the panel off on the outside, you know. So I'm gonna leave that open. Actually it's 4 pins really, so I'm gonna leave that open and just split it up just to tighten that end up, make it a little solid. That little metal, that just as wobbly as it can be, but hey, it is what it is. It's a car, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Put a little Killmat in that little section right there. And see what it do. So I already got my pieces cut already. Got 2 pieces, so that gonna take care of that right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Over here, I'm gonna have to most likely probably move my battery a little bit, dismount it, and get on behind there. So we'll get it done, y'all. That right there pretty much go make that bad boy a little more solid back there, so I don't have to worry about this side over here flexing and everything. So that's gonna be good and solid. Alright y'all, let me get back to it. I'll get back with you once I get this side done. Okay everybody, I'm back. So see, I got my little pieces on there. I just wanted just that little edge right there. So like I said, I wanted to leave that open right there because it got those pins out. just in case if I want to do like a little outside work, change a panel or something. So leave that like it is. So hey, got that side done. Go ahead and pull that mat back, cover that back up, load it up, and switch to the other side. So one down, one more to go, y'all. We're making progress. For sure, we're making progress. So I'm gonna see what difference that it makes. It definitely made a difference on my trunk lid, I can tell you that for sure. And my doors. So that right there should stop the flexing a little bit there. Alright, let me go ahead and piece all this back together. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, got the panels all put back together. Outside is done, and got this side done. Got everything all put back. Matter of fact, while I was back here, I went on and kind of repositioned my fuse holder back here and ran another line. So I got it going right there instead. Last time I had it like pretty much up here, so kind of changed it around. Hey, while I was back there, so now that make it more easy to get to the fuse holder now with no problem. So it's all good to go. Like I said, all the panels are back up, all the little factory carpet. So now it's time to put in the box now, in my little side panels, and then connect my LEDs. We'll be ready to go. I don't think I missed anything. Let me see. Nope. So nope, I got everything pretty much. And matter of fact, while I was back there too, I also ran me some more speaker wire. I don't know, y'all can't see it, that blue wire right there. Ran me some more of that. Change that out. So yeah, I think we're coming along pretty good there. So that's gonna be pretty much it for the wiring. I'm gonna still get to the rest of it. I'm gonna wait till a little later and get to that. But for now, like I said, about to put this sub back in and connect my LEDs. Hey, let's get to it. Alright everybody, as you can see, I got everything back in. Subs all mounted, hooked up, and my LEDs all connected. Yep, everything working fine. There we go, alright. Yep, everything looking good, all back together. That's what I'm talking about. So that is pretty much it, y'all. So everything is looking good, working perfect. This little dust off here, whatever. Yep, I am happy with that. So the next time now, I'm gonna have to give y'all a little demo of these subs and pretty much give you my little review on these subs since I first bought them, just to, you know, let y'all know the ins and outs of them. But like I said, we'll get to that on the next video and everything. But mainly, it's right here. Wanted to get all that together. And bracket's all looking good. Turn these off. That's pretty much it. battery done went down in my little headlight, y'all. Oh well. Ain't worried about it. I'm done anyway. So I accomplished that there. So main objective pretty much was to put some of that Killmat on those panels on the inside of the trunk. So got that done. So let's close this bad boy up. Yeah, my trunk lid is heavy. So like I said, next time I'm gonna do a little sound test. It's kind of a little late right now, so I ain't trying to disturb nobody. But hey, it is done. So hey, look. Appreciate everybody, for checking me out. Thank all my new subscribers and all my old ones. Hey, keep hanging with your boy. Hey, DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, trying to throw it out there so y'all can, hey, look, be a do-it-yourselfer just like me. I ain't scared to tackle my car. Everything you see on my car, hey, I did it myself. Nobody else did it. Nope, nobody. All that from the front to the back, all done by me. So that's just what I love. Hey, car audio installation. Hey, doing them LEDs. That's me there. Ain't nothing to it. And then plus you feel good, after you done did your own installation, everything looks good and working good. Hey, that's it. So once again, hey, look, I appreciate everybody checking my channel out and all my videos. Appreciate it. And make sure y'all turn on that notification bell, because I still have more to bring to y'all. Matter of fact, there's a big car show coming up in a couple of weeks, so be on the lookout for that one out. Yes, your boy definitely gonna get that footage there. So hey, look, until then, hey, look, keep rocking with me. And hey, look, I'm gonna continue to bring y'all all my little content, man. Hey, when it comes to fixing and installing, hey, I'm your guy, DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look, y'all see what's going on. That's right. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of this mess off my floor and call it a night. That is it. And I'll check y'all out on the next video.